How's it going, Tomer? North Pole. Pandacoder. Wait. Who got second and who got third? Two people got second. I didn't even notice. I didn't even realize. Wait. Yeah. Tomer, you, and then North Pole. Wait. Sir Enemy, how's it going? Welcome, everybody. Just renaming the same single redeem. I'm not. Bad Cop is. I thought it would be good to have it named the same exact thing, but yeah. And then just have the same redeem run 3 times, but I'm not the one who created first. Backup is another streamer. First, Bashta. What's the... Yeah. I gotta catch up to Jitspo. Double stream until we catch up to Jitspo. Project double stream till we get to Jitspo. All right. Chapter. What were we doing before we started? We did some of the audio stuff. I want to do more audio stuff. We should have checked where... Actually, let's just look at each chapter and see what's going on there. I think chapter 1 is already good. Wait, let me see. And we probably haven't committed in a while. I have to add these files to the git ignore. Oh, my elbow is itchy. How do you add a git to the gignor? Oh, you can just right click. Okay. Refactoring managers. So I wonder, I assume, will it just work? I hope so. Froster, how's it going? Ooh. Oh my god. Another double day. Well, of course. It's double stream Saturdays. We do this every Saturday. We've been doing this since I started streaming. Double stream Saturdays. We have these green pixels here, so we didn't. All right. Let's get started. Oh, you guys can't see my screen. No one said anything. Okay. Welcome everybody to the second stream of the day. I think my mic arm is finally sort of giving out. Can I show you guys what my mic arm looks like without ruining my camera? No, I can't. But it's bad. I'll take a picture of it later. Chapter... What are we on? Yeah, let's just go into chapter 1 and see. Yo, back again. I'm back. And you changed the color of your name. You think we wouldn't notice? You wouldn't notice that you changed the color of your name? Twitch is tweaking. Do we even like these background noises? Maybe not. Maybe I get rid of it. And what's this ambient sounds node? Sound environment. Oh, this is what we just created. Do we like the current sounds of chapter 1? Wow, wow, wow. No, this is not chapter 1. Here, I'm gonna pause the music for now because we gotta listen. Also, does this still work? Yes, it still works. We should do another like well, what is it called? From a ripple. Boom, 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 boom. And we need more ambient sounds too, but I'm not gonna do that today. Unless we can find it. A ripple sound? A ripple shader. We could also do here. Let's see what we got. Who the frick thought that was a good sound to play? You won't believe. Yes, I will. iRed is streaming. Oh my god. B. Okay, Patrick. Enough. iRed, notice me. Okay, okay. Should I put this on the intro for the prologue, for the intro prologue thing? Yes, yes, let's do that. All right, let's go into How do you guys like watching my stream with no music? Just silence all the time. Boom, boom, boom. Should I put it in here? It's not Flowerhead though. I do have Blue Zone, and I have ambient sounds. New menu. Main menu. The humming isn't gone. Laptop's low now, so it's not silent for me. It'd be getting real warm. It's pretty warm right now for me too. Alright, let's try this main menu song. Or sorry, not main menu. This is gonna be the prologue. Let me see something. Prologue, or not prologue. It's kind of like, I call it a prologue, but it's not really a prologue. I guess it'll show the intro scene, but for now it's just like instructions on how to play the game. Where do I usually put this under though? Level select. Let's see. Prefer music most of the time? I see, okay. How the hell do we select this level prologue? Get node, graph focus. Input index. If the input index is what? Let's see. Pre-main scene is what it's called. So I could throw in some music here. We have a pre-main scene sound. I could just play it right here too. We should have put it on a manager though. Yeah, let's put it on a manager. And this is so loud. You could also leave this sound playing. Oh. Oh, I can't even add it there. Let me see what's better. Honestly, I think that is better, actually. Never mind. But there might be use for this somewhere. I think we need some reverb on this clicking sound of us walking. I also need to figure out what's going on with our world environment here. Sometimes it feels like something weird is happening here. I don't know why. World environment. Let me see. World environment. Graphic settings, brightness. Seems like that's all we do. But I've noticed sometimes, like, if we die in a room, yeah, it gets bright again. I don't know what the hell that's about. Here? See? Who's doing that? It's so interesting. Let's see something. We don't see any light on this room. So it's like our canvas modulate like just disappears somehow. Boom, 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 boom. Let me see. How many rooms are here though? Oh, help us. It goes up to this room. So after the cat. So if we see this thing still happening, let's see. Okay, so yeah, it's a weird bug with because these rooms are not already in the game and we're reinstancing them. Something strange is happening there. And we're not getting any of the, I guess the canvas modulates. I assume that's what's happening there. Here, let me see. Let me copy this. Current color is that. It's pretty cool looking. Oh, we are seeing it. So what's the issue? Let's go into the menu, start over. Hello again. Hello again, real time. So you're back. We meet again. Yeah, see that? What's interesting is that we actually still do see the nodes. It's just that maybe like the light nodes are significantly stronger now. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Because we don't notice any changes in this room until here. Okay. We must be doing something weird with our light nodes. Let me see. Light. I don't even remember what these things are called. To be honest, who even uses light nodes anymore? Let's see. If I just hide it, let's see what happens. Resetting it to like not invisible. Visible. Decorate. Yeah, we are. That's the false. That's what's happening. Uh-huh. Okay, I think we figured it out. Let's see. And it's just these nodes that are doing it now. Okay. Let's find a room that doesn't have those light nodes. There we go. Okay. Yeah, we can't do this on the ready. We have to do it on like room entered. Play idle. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Room entered. Yeah, throw it in here. Wait. Is room entered not being run? It's awake. How you doing? Welcome. How's the stream? Eddie. All right. We've solved another mystery. I do want to update our light nodes at some point too. I think we can make some pretty cool stuff. And Jopti here. Jack Bauer, he's your cousin. Welcome, Eskiminha. Tarayev, we managed to squash some bugs. Nice. Hell yeah. I've been squashing a decent amount of bugs today and yesterday. I feel pretty good actually. Glad you're squashing them bugs. Okay. All right. We haven't added that ripple. That'd be progress. Yes. Yes. Progress. Here, let me reset this value. Why does this room like not look nearly as cool anymore? Should we make your canvas modulates darker? Let me see. What if I do like a little like that? I feel like that looks better. Oh yeah, that looks so much better. Oh no. Oh wait, it's better once we yeah, we'll reload everything. It should be better. In fact, we can even make it darker. Let's see. See what that looks like. What's interesting is that we don't... Our collisions are supposed to have... they're supposed to be completely unshaded. But they seem shaded here. It doesn't look too bad, though. I'm not gonna lie. Recording input. It's not recording input. It's just recording states. We could record input, but it's recording states and position on like state transitions. But we could also do input. It's just I never had a reason to yet. But it would be cool to have that for like speedrunning recordings and stuff. And also, yeah, I have a system for like recording my entire gameplay. I don't know if it's gonna work. I've refactored a decent amount since then, but like check this out. If I run visibility, you won't see the whole chapter because I wonder, do I still have this thing here? Or here, this thing. Let's see. Display session. Oh god, it might crash my computer actually. It's so much data. It's probably so much data. Yeah, I think we're gonna crash. Well, we'll see. If it works, it'll be really cool. Oh, and I'm running my game too. I don't know if that breaks it too. It's a tool script, so. But yeah, oh my goodness. I hope my computer doesn't catch fire right now. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I'll snooze my ad for a second. Or maybe, honestly, maybe we should call it quits on this. You'll see a bunch of pretty colors, like the same pretty colors that you saw here. You'll see like, you know, poof, all over the screen if it'll load. But this is like since I made this feature. Yeah, it seems like it's not gonna happen. Let me force this thing to close. Just imagine, pretend that you saw something really cool, and that's what it was. It was amazing. Thank you. Thank you. We made that over a year ago, actually, so it's about a year's worth of gameplay that chapter would see. I can show the JSON files, but here, let me see. Whatever, it's not as impressive to see a bunch of states. All right. Anywho, let me try to figure out why our collision shapes, our viewport on our collision shapes are not unshaded. I mean, that should be a quick fix over here at the here. Enter lurk. I'll see you. Thank you again for the raid. Bye-bye. So yeah, if we say canvas, what is it? Canvas, always forget. Canvas type? No. Render mode? Render mode. Unshaded. Hopefully this works. And we're gonna want to do this. It wasn't render mode, was it? Shader type. Oh, there we go. Let's see if that fixes it. There we go. I believe that fixed it. Oh no. Oh, our background is now weird. We'll see what we want to do there. I guess maybe that's why we can't just make this whole thing unshaded, is because then we'll get this weird thing. Also, entering this room does not set the brightness of this node here until we die. Is that because, wait, let me see. What the hell, dude? What the hell? Who did this? Who allowed this to happen? We have like 3 different songs playing. Everything that we can imagine to go wrong is going wrong right now. Let's turn off this music. Let's see. Chapter 1. Any one of these rooms, or actually, we want a room with light in it. So yeah, it looks cool in here, right? And then we go into the game itself, and it's all sorts of jank. This light node here, maybe it has its own little thing running in this script. Tween light, set color. Let's see. It's not doing anything here. What's this sprite doing here? What is this for? I don't know why there's a sprite here. Let's get rid of it. We gotta make sure this room entered thing is running. I guess let's just do that. Yeah, that explains it. This is not even running. Room entered. Is there anything running on the ready? No? Okay. All right, let's figure this out. Let's go into... let's go into... our room node. Dude, I feel like we're fixing so many things in such a short amount of time. I feel like if I really put my mind to it, we can actually... No joke. Memori could be released in June 2025. No joke. Seriously. If I keep this up. If I keep this up. I have to keep up the same pace that I'm doing for like the next 6 months. Make sure to avoid burnout. Yeah, that's another thing that we'll have to be very aware of. Honestly, yeah, we'll see. Streaming twice a day, I feel like could wear me out pretty quick, but we shall see. But it is better than 12-hour streams. Enter room. What is it? Enter. Oh, room entered. Enable children. Let's see. For node, we say oh. Oh. Yeah. I wonder if we should clean this up right now while we're here. Yeah, let's do it right now. We're just gonna, like, every time we have to fix something, let's refactor it. I'm curious though. Here, enable children. So we have our traps node. Where's our is it me, or are we like missing a bunch of lines of code here? Where are the oh, it's right here. And why do we run room entered in... Okay, yeah, whatever, that's fine. If our object is a decoration. Oh wait, whoops. Whoops. But also, play tween light true. Hop pop pop. Do we even care to disable physics process? I mean, I guess we should. Why don't we disable physics? I guess we had a reason why we didn't disable physics on rooms. Pressure blades. Hop, hop, hop. I wonder, is this needed anywhere? Hop, 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 hop. Oh, I see. That is weird. That was very weird of me to do that, but whatever. We'll clean. I don't want to deal with this right now. Hoppa, hoppa, hoppa. All right, good enough for now. And then let's also make sure our decor nodes are the same. Disable. Oh, we do this for the decor nodes. This looks fine. All right. Monuments. Do we still handle monuments? I don't think so. Is not equal to a monument. Interesting. There we go. Looks better now. Wait. This looks like doo-doo. Why does this one look good? I think these nodes are probably different. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, it has its own thing. Why would I do such a thing? What do we call this one? Light decorate, no. Lamp decoration. Can we have it extend the same thing? It has the same movement, but has its own. Let's see what happens if I do this. There we go. Okay. Let's go back into chapter 1. So this was our original light color. What do you guys think? You know, low key, not gonna lie, I preferred when these nodes were not unshaded. But it's weird if they're not. It's a little weird because my entire game was not unshaded originally. But maybe it's not a big deal. We could always increase the contrast of things. Here, let's see. Where was that? Do I have to reload? I have to reload. Oh god. My Windows is crashing. So yeah, it looks a little weird. Unless we make our rooms a lot significantly brighter, and we also add light nodes. Another thing we can try doing. Let me see something in chapter 1. I want to see if we increase our canvas, not our canvas modulate. What if we increase our glow here? Oh God. This looks terrible. I like the little glow. What happens if we make it high quality? What is this? All right, I'll leave it like that. Okay. We still need to figure out, do we like the shaded background? I kind of like it, but I feel like there are gonna be a few rooms where it doesn't look good, and then it's gonna ruin everything. That's the only issue. Also, Loki kind of like this too. Maybe this would be like a cool different mode of the game. No, we gotta make sure that doesn't happen too. I feel like we can make this, maybe if we just make, oh no, this is super bad that this is happening here too. Ooh, this looks really cool too. It's like we're in a dream world. It's like we're in a dream. It's like maybe, perhaps we were in a dream the whole time. No, that would be that's too predictable for a story, isn't it? I'll leave it like this for now. Not unshaded. We'll see what the other chapters look like. If we could blend it like this, I think it's a good idea. All right. Let's figure out our Z indexes, because everything is like kind of weird at the moment. Let me see here. So our collision viewport tile map is, when we set it to the same z index as our referenced tile map. The issue is that certain objects are being pushed forward and backwards and stuff, and it's looking a little weird. First, let's see what's going on when we add this node. So add border tile map, current viewport, set current collision, shader manager, that current collision viewport. No. Open this room. Create collision tile map viewport. So we say auto tile.create collision viewport, preload reference tile map. Parent dot add viewport connect to parent. So current viewport dot reference tile map is equal to self, and then we add it as a child. When are we running this though? Is it the ready function of this node? Ready reference tile map is equal create tile map sub viewport. When are we duplicating this thing? Duplicate false. Okay. If duplicate false is set to, and then we say add the tile map. Why is everything being pushed? Did we increase the z index of our tile map? What's going on here? What's the z index? This shouldn't matter. And what's our tile map at? Z index is 6. I guess we can check right now. Is my game running? 189. Do we see anything wrong? Main scene, viewport. Yeah, it's the same index. This is 6. What is this on? Maybe we have to set this to... I wonder if it matters. Our tile map is on 6. This auto tile is on... This auto tile is on 6. The Vines tile map is on 0. Everything else is on 0, so I'm not sure why. Let me just see something. Oh, wait. Even though we wrote false, it's still grabbing the children nodes. Let me see. What's going on here? This is weird. What happened to the bow tie and the fancy suits? I don't know. I just got tired of it. I still have them, but... Yeah. Still have the pink hair, but you just, I don't know. We tried it. We gave it a shot. Now we're back to wearing the same shirt for a week. Practical. So yeah, this tile map dot duplicate false. Usually, wait, duplicates node. I thought, wait, false is not what we want. Let me see. Sign of an engineer. Well, I'm not an engineer. Godot duplicate node, but not its children nodes in 3.x. We're being gaslit right here because this is not true. Oh, so just duplicate 0? Is that what that means? Oh, I didn't even notice. Pause mode inherits, all right, so instead of saying false, we just say 0. Hopefully that fixes the issue with the children nodes. So I can't wear a bow tie, I can't wear a hoodie. What do I do? What do I wear? All right, I think we solved the issue. Let's go naked. I'm always so I have my webcam on Impractical taped down to those machines. Wait, I don't think we reloaded, and that's probably why it's still but I'm always concerned it's gonna do like the webcam is gonna do like a backflip somehow, and catch me doing something, just going to sleep. Tomer, have a good night. Congratulations again on the job. I'm looking forward to hearing more about it. Jerkin? What the? No, I just mean like, coming back from the shower or something like that, But I have it taped down. I think we fixed it. Let me just double check here. Because, yeah, it seems... Oh, wait, no. I don't think we did fix it, because, yeah, what the hell? We're still seeing nodes behind the decoration nodes. We can just increase the Z index here. Let me see. No, yeah, I don't do that. I don't shower, so. don't see how that'd be possible. Z index, dude. Yeah, what the hell? Yeah, let me set it to like -1 or something. See what's going. Or you know what? -1000. I don't care. Oh wait, wait. This doesn't work. Let's reset it and let's do it on the Vines tile map. Yeah, that's weird. Let me see something. Let's hide our collision viewport and see what's being hidden here. Yeah, okay. So, something very strange is happening. I'm gonna die. Let me see here. Let me complain to Claude. Maybe ain't no work, Claude. Wait. Still no work. No, I don't want to share anything with you. We can create an entire new node duplicate, but I'd like to avoid that. So I'm trying to think. We could. No. Yeah, we could split it first. Like, we could remove the node, change the parent, do some shenanigans there, but it would be nice if we didn't have to do that. Let me see. Godot 3.x duplicate parent node, but don't copy. It's not ideal. Oh god. Ugh. Alright, fuck it, fine. For child in new tile map dot get children. Boom, boom. And then we'd want to keep this tile map here, technically. At least for now. Let's see. Oh god. Oh no, wait. We need some of the children nodes. Oh my goodness. I guess that's on me. For putting everything onto the child node here. Let's see. Boop, 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 boop. We could duplicate everything for like pick what we want to duplicate. Yeah, I guess that makes. Let's see. What do we care for? Border tile map and transition tile map. Actually, those are the only two ones we care for. This one doesn't have a... Yeah, border tile map and transition tile map. Just gonna create a quick class here. So if it's a border tile map or a vines tile map, do we even have a class name here? Vines tile map node. Viewport. So it's not the prettiest of approaches, but I think it'll be fine. Wait. Oh god. What happened here? Oh, not a Vines tile map node. A transition tile map node. Oh, it doesn't even have a class name. Chapter, what was it? 1. It's still not working. You see? I wonder if we have to re-instance or recreate this transition tile map thing. Let me see. Yeah, or let me see. So we go into this room. Does it have a script now? Oh no, yeah, it should. Let's look at chapter 1 though. Maybe chapter 1 is different, or sorry, the specifically this section here. Maybe it's a different node altogether. Boom, 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 boom. No, it's the same node. Honestly, we just care for the Vines tile map, so can we just say if it's a Vines tile map, queue free it? There are a few other things that we need to update, but let me see. I mean, yeah, that works. I don't understand why it didn't work the other way. Yeah, that's weird. Let me see. I guess we could just check which tiles we need to remove, but... Alright, fine. Oh. Room 71 seems to have the same issue, dude. Wait, what the hell? How's there furniture in this room, but no furniture over here? What the hell? Is our Z index off or something? Oh. Let me see something. What if we... I wonder if we have to add it. We have to check first. That's so weird. Yeah, it's not even breaking here. What a weird bug. So we get the Vines tile map. We get the border tile map. Transition tile map. So yeah, what the hell? What's interesting though is that it says it's a tile map and not a node. That's okay. That's interesting. Okay, so I guess we could just say .name. It's weird that not sure why that's happening. Border tile map and transition tile map. There we go. A very, very strange bug. Let's also bring this back. This thing... Oh, no. It deletes the other nodes, too, unless we're setting it to invisible somewhere else. Invisible is equal to false? No? Create. Never seen this before. Okay, I think the only solution is to like duplicate this exact node. Oh, wait, I think we got it actually. So far, so good. Yeah, there we go. So I think I'm probably just setting this to false somewhere. Let's see. It's not here though. And it's not here. Hide original tile map. Set viewport size. Add tile map. It's not like we're ever queue freeing it anywhere, right? Yeah. Okay. I'd prefer if we put it somewhere else. Or maybe it was just a bug with us not loading the whole scene again. But it's fine now, so I'm not going to complain. Let's make sure the rest... Yeah, I'm sure the rest is fine. Oh, yeah, this looks really weird. So I guess we do have to keep it unshaded, unless we start making everything unshaded, but... Oh, we have sunk cost value here. Okay. Let me commit this, and then we shall continue. Fixed. Auto. So I was thinking of putting this whole distortion thing on our main viewport. Should be kind of cool. For a little juice. Let me see how I can do that real quick. It's gonna be a little annoying. Let me see our viewport. Unless we can find... We can also do something on our current collision tile map viewport. Let me see what else we can do. So it will be a little annoying. Do we see all the sounds that we wanted to explore here? Boop, 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 boop. Do 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 do. Ba, 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 ba. Ooh, I kind of like that. Mm. We need some more reverb sounds, but it's not this one actually. Real world map. Footsteps, flesh, ambiances, air travel. Is this planes? Yes. Kanu Saru. Thanks. Whooshes. Yeah, we did this one. All right. Let's look at fundamentals. What a window wind. Or no, whoosh. Let's look at whoosh. This one's not too bad. This one's pretty good too. I would have to edit it a little bit. Let's give it a shot. I like this one. Heavy grain. It's probably loud. It's not too bad. What the hell? Oh, I didn't mean to fade in. I meant to fade out. Do you guys see Kratos anywhere? So, oh, it's SFX Kratos. It's so loud. It's too slow. Why does it look different here? It's so much faster here. Maybe I didn't save it properly? What the hell? Or maybe I just saved the wrong one. Yeah, maybe... Did I drag... I think that's what I did. I probably just dragged this one in. Where the hell did I just save this one? Haven't. Why is there, we're like floating here. Oh, because I threw in the same script, threw in the same, movement on this node here. That's why. It's funny. That's pretty good. I like it. Ads are starting soon, by the way. Where's our chapter 1 here? I think I'm gonna lower the brightness just a bit and like or decrease the shadows. Okay. Let's look at chapter 2 now. What the hell? I don't hear anything here. What is this? Jeez, I don't hear anything. Is it rain or something? I can barely hear this in the game. Or maybe I just never have the environment sounds on. What's this one? Oh, this probably overwhelms the whole thing. And we have the... What is this? It's set to 0 for some reason. Foghorn? Or what is this? Yeah, we might not play that one. Or you know what? Let's try it out, actually. Let's leave that one running, and let's leave this one running. So, this one you can barely hear. Yeah, it doesn't match the tone of the game. So I might remove that one. Ambient sounds, let's throw in the... what is it called? Parent sound manager? Or sound parent man? How come we don't hear any of the environment sounds? That I added to the this is environment. Maybe we didn't start adding environment sounds yet. Let's see. Oh, I have to set automatically and also play all sounds. I'm curious. With play all sounds, do they automatically play again? Do they have to set to loop? They might. Handle all sounds. Start, but that means we have to make sure that these resources are set to loop mode forward. Loop begin. Let me see something. Even though it says loop forward, I think we'll see. It should be fine. So this one's set to start over. On what is it? Play? Yeah. Oh. For a second, I thought we were in crash. There we go. That rain is ridiculous. Oh, that's why we had a bunch of them. It's not enough to just have one horn sound. Music's pretty quiet, not gonna lie. Especially we have these effects there too. Although, that's not too bad actually. I think our dash orbs though, they're too loud. Let me see. Still feels extremely loud. You haven't seen that room before? What the hell? This has to be negative 15 as well. Yeah, this is a chapter 2. Yeah, it's like the second section to chapter 2. Holy, oh my goodness. Everything is so loud. I think our music is just extremely low. What the hell? What is that? I don't know what's what, so I'm just gonna throw these all at -10. It'd be better if we threw everything into a single, maybe. Now it's too quiet. I'm not sure which one it is. This one's -5. Wait, this might be loud, so here, I'm gonna mute for a second. Okay. Put this at -5. That's what we did before, but maybe it was the click sound that was bad. All right, I think that's better. It's not snow. It's supposed to be just particles representing wind. So you got these little fan things. Well, I'll update it more to look like wind in the future. But yeah, right now, be better. Boom, 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 boom. All right, now what? What do we want to do now? We've updated, so yeah, we've updated chapter 2. I guess let's go on to chapter 3. Chapter 3, I think, is already pretty solid, if I remember correctly, but we have to update the boss fight sounds, and we also have to update, to start importing the new scripts that we have here with the audio manager. Oh my god, it's so loud. Lower the volume here. Where's the music, though? Usually we have a oh, we disabled it, right? Let's see, chapter 3 sounds. Arnsel, how's it going? And what's this? Scalpel? On the boss fight, okay. So this is, what do we call this? Loop? And we'll tell our music node. I think we created a new music manager node. Tell it to play the loop. Environment sounds, we don't have any. We have the whoosh. I don't care for that one. I actually don't even like this one either. The bois. Bois is pretty good. I like the bois. What's this? Sound manager. Bois playing started automatically and plays that. What's this? Alright, same sound. Transition sound. Oh, it's basically the same. And what's this? The bot. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. So right now, yeah, this one's gonna be interesting. Yeah, let's see. Unique sounds. We haven't made a node for that yet, but we did make the trigger for it. So we're gonna do that. Let's see. Wait, let me close this for a second. Let's go back into chapter 3. Here, let's close everything here too. I'll play some music for now because it's gonna be a hot minute before this works. Randomly, our water heater is broken, and the person we talked to get it fixed never said when or what day they'll come to fix it. So when the Dara blocks like crazy, I'm leaving to check if. Okay, sounds good. What am I doing here? Chapter 3. I want to go into editor here, actually. Oh God, what's all this red here? Moving stone. Let me see. Do we want to look for sounds right now? All right. Fortunately, we already have our hitbox here. Let's see. Enter sequence. What's this enter sequence thing? Oh, I see. Yeah, we have something new now. It's going to be a trigger. Sound trigger. And we'll copy this for a second to see what's going on here, but we're going to do something completely different. So this one has a audio. What's this audio stream player too? I'm curious. Boss transition. What is this? Ooh, I like that. Okay, okay. I see you, Old Practical. Old Practical had some pretty solid ideas. What else we got in here? Camera shake. I don't care for that anymore. Or actually, that's not true. Mm-hmm. We don't need to lower the music volume. We'll just tell what we want to trigger here. I wonder how we want to do this though. We can make it an array of like commands of what we want here. I'm not sure yet. First let's just play that one sound, the initiate trigger. Or actually wait. Actually, I don't even care for activated. We'll see. In the future, we might. And also, let's make sure this is just monitoring. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. Now what? Boom, 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 boom. So start boss fight intro. We haven't done any of this. I'm trying to think. We'll want to make, I guess, an on-ready array of like or not an on-ready, sorry, an export of triggers. Let's see if we can do that. Let me see if I don't know what the syntax is for this. An array. How to make an export bar of arrays of sound triggers. Export array int bar trigger sequence. Let's see if this works. So we could do, technically we could do numbers here, but let me see, what happens if I throw this in here? Oh yeah, that works. Yeah, this is what we want. Okay. Bum, ba-da-dum, bum, bum, bum. And then we don't need a current trigger if it... Or we can leave current trigger for now, but we're going to just iterate through our triggers. So on activate, on initiate trigger, on send sound signal, we'll say for trigger in triggers. Get sound trigger name, and then we tell our signal manager to do this. And then I believe we've connected our sound manager to this already. Let's go into our sound manager. Boom, 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 boom. So yeah, end boss fight sounds. So what is this? Yeah, we want to start playing this sound, for instance. So right now we call it unique sounds. Do we want to do boss sounds instead? Mm, 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 mm. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. We can also create an array of like boss sounds. For now, let's just do unique sounds. Bum, 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 ba-da-da, bum, bum, bum. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And then on start boss fight sounds, we do that. We do dot play. Oh, this one's gonna break, isn't it? And what we should do for our music is instead of saying boss fight dot play, we should say change to the boss fight. Let's change this to boss. Let's go into our music node now and let's add a boss. Oh, do 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 do. Switch song to play song dot current song. Why don't we set a current song here? Or how do we do this? Dot current song. Music manager. We say if auto start. How do you change the music manager song? What the hell? I guess we call it here. Let's go back in here. Let's say change song. Oh, switch song on sound. You can't do this in you can't do this, right? Unless you can do music.song? I don't think this works either. Why not? It's not a valid type. Or scripter class cannot be okay. As they're starting soon, by the way. Let's use it actually. If not. Mm-hmm. So we set song here. And then yeah, why don't we do this and play song? Set song and then play song. And we'll say set new song. All right, that's fine. Set song. Song. blank here. Here, let's go back in here. Oh wait, save this. Go back here. Oh, we don't have anything that like goes back to the original loop, but sometimes we just want to stop the music. So we can do that. Or just stop music. Okay. End chapter intro sounds, start boss fight sounds. For sound and unique sounds that play. Start boss fight music. Okay. And then we've connected all this. Oh, did we ever connect this on the ready? So signal manager dot connect the start boss fight intros. All right, let's throw this in. So by default, we'll set this to 0. We don't need a current trigger. And we're probably going to make this a lot larger, but collision here. Like that. So let's get rid of this old one. Ooh, let's get rid of this one. Oh. Sound trigger. I'll throw this one down here for now in case we ever need it. But this is a new and improved sound trigger. And let's see what happens. Bum 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 bum. Oh, let's actually add the triggers that we want. So What's gonna be in here? So we have. We're gonna do two. We're gonna say start boss fight intro sounds, and then I'll start boss fight. Oh yeah, we only want to start the boss fight intro sounds. Actually, that's it. We could try other things out though. Let's do the boss fight music, for instance. All right, let's get a shot. Bum 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 bum. It's loud AF. So the boss fight music started correctly. I don't hear the unless we have it turned off. No. Boom 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 boom. For unique sound on start boss fight sounds, let me see print. Dun, 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 bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. Let me just make sure. Start boss fight sounds. That's what I set it to. Oh, start boss fight intro sounds. Is that start chapter? Yeah, start boss fight intro sounds. I wonder if I named it incorrectly though. Let me see. Start boss fight intro sounds. Oh. What the hell? Whoops. Start boss fight sounds and start boss fight intro sounds. I don't know why we have both. Bottom. All right, trigger. There we go. And hopefully the boss fight. Yep, there we go. Master at backtracking now. Camilos, master backtracker. Uh-oh, that shouldn't happen twice, but it does. Oh, because we're not saving this node. We gotta figure out how we want to do that. What the flip, dude? Can never survive this game. I mean, look at my total deaths. 36,000 deaths. You can... there's always a way to survive. You just have to die a lot. But we do have, like, an assist mode and stuff, so... Yeah, like, let's say you really want to play slowly. And you don't know where you want to go? I want to go this way. Or you want to just hack the game and just play with infinite dashes here. I'm so good at the game. So nice accessibility. Dude, I spent so much time on accessibility. I take great pride in the accessibility of this game. Like, look, you can even control the player with your mouse. Oh god, we're gonna die. Those the images on the bottom right? Yeah, they're really outdated though, because like the game is much better now. Wait, let me turn off these infinite dashes. We should redesign this section. It can be so much better. Oh no. Oh yeah. I thought you asked. Yeah. Their videos, their gameplay videos. Yeah. How do I reset? There are like these green orbs on the screen that you see, like this one. And then also every bounce that you enter, anything that basically puts you into a new state, basically resets your dash. Besides the fall state. Oh no. Oh dude, I've been playing like doo-doo. Yeah, this part specifically I'm not a fan of, but it is the first section of the boss, so maybe... Oh, dude, you're guaranteed to die there. Every time if you play quickly. I'm trying to think, what can we do? You have to, like, take your sweet time for that one. There we go. No! Oh, dude. I don't know how we survived that. Dude, the boss fight's actually looking pretty good, especially with these skull people. I like the skulls. The debug lines showing where you were previously are really cool too. Thank you. Oh, dude, the skulls are actually kind of nice. They make you have to... They're making me think. Oh, God. Can we beat this? I like this. I like this, actually. I remember thinking this chapter was a little too easy. This specific part of the sequence was too easy. Oh my goodness. Irad. How's it going, Irad? Um, are you back? Are you finally back? Oh my goodness, I can't. How the hell? This part might be nearly impossible. Let me see. Unless we wait. I'm a raider now. Here, let's turn off the music for a second. It's a bit intense, isn't it? No, it's not intense. After the laser is being emitted, so there's two things to note. I turn off the hitbox like a quarter of a second before the animation finishes so that the player feels better about themselves. Oh, dude, that eye screwed us over. And then the other thing is if you dash through a node, and like if you dash through the laser before it actually gets emitted, before the hitbox gets emitted, you also don't take damage. So it might be a little confusing, but it's like, you know, no one's going to complain that the game is easier than you thought, you know? If you don't die, it's more so if you get cheated that people tend to complain. Oh my goodness, though. Oh my goodness. I don't know. I can't beat this section anymore. The guys who are throwing projectiles at us is something new that I added. But I can't get across. If it's possible, I'll leave it in. But he has no chill. Let me see. Wait. We have to be this at least once. I don't think we can get... Okay. Come on. Okay, it is possible, but dude, it is not easy. Yeah, I mean, Celeste is about someone who is transgender, but yeah, I hope you're respecting that. Play with a console or keyboard? Control. I usually play most games, most platformers I play on controller. But this one I play on keyboard. It's about mental health not being trans, but it's mostly about depression. I mean, I guess I don't know if you I guess if you hear what Maddie has to say about it, it's about themselves. And it's also widely like I don't know. If I made a platformer, I would need someone that can actually play them. Yes, but also like ideally, what you want to do is yeah, you want other people to play test your game. Usually, you want to be like it's actually ideal to be kind of bad at your game. This part specifically, we just added the projectile, so it's like making it a little bit more difficult. Like for instance, maybe I should just disable this little section and only have one skull. Here, let me see. Which part is it? I don't remember playing through this section, but we already have skulls here. Wait, 229. Here. All right, so hopefully with just one skull, we could also just reduce the laser. Oh my goodness. And he still has no chill. Oh my god. Here, wait. Let's flip him. Let's bring him to the top instead. -1. This level looks, it shouldn't be this difficult. It's just the timing of like us adding new like this mechanic is fairly new, is a fairly new mechanic that I kind of just threw in for fun. I want to keep it there, but obviously we'd have to test out the entire game before it fully works. Like the other thing we can do is just decrease this shoot time modifier to like 2 seconds. And honestly, I actually prefer that. So wait, let me Control Z. And what we'll do instead is just set these two to 2 seconds. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, we'll reset it here. Getting worse and worse, yeah. I am getting a Stream Deck though, or a Steam Deck. I'm looking forward to that. Although I used to, yeah, again, I used to play a lot of most games that are platformers. I play on a D-pad with a D-pad. See, where is it? So we'll see. I tried playing this one on controller recently and I couldn't do it. Just got a Steam Deck for my husband for the holidays, and he's loved it so far. Yeah, we'll see. I don't really play too many games anymore besides my own, but maybe it'll get me into playing a little bit. I had a Switch at some point, and I really enjoyed having that. And decided if I would play it any further, I would get stuck playing it for hours. Did not have the time for it. Then I forgot. Had the next game. And next it was on itch.io. Yeah, I mean, I don't think Celeste is that type. At least for me, Celeste. I don't know, because it's rage inducing. It was easy for me to like put it down whenever I was struggling. All right, this makes it a little easier. I'll take that back. Let me see. We just have to take our time. Seem like sucks because it's awesome. Playing Balatro. You can play. Can you play Balatro on like basically? It's on mobile too, right? Oh my goodness! Here, wait. Also turn this off. Maybe we do need the assist mode. All right, come on. I really don't like these projectiles. Another thing we could do is have the projectiles shoot from the left side instead. Just because we're so close to the screen. Oh my goodness, bro shoots at us here. Wait, we can even put it on all 4 directions. But honestly, if we know we can beat this section, I'll leave it in. We were so close last time. Yeah, let me see something. We don't even need this eye. And this flame, bro. Woo! All right, here it is. We can get this. If we just relax, practical, relax. Rogue are a nice way. If I lose, I can quit easier. If I lack the time. Yeah. Noita's. I never fully played through Noita. I only have like maybe 20 hours on it, but it's pretty good. I really like Dead Cells. That's the only. Oh my goodness, bro. Okay, come on, practical. All right. If we just don't die here, we got it. Okay. This was the checkpoint here. Oh my goodness. All right, the next checkpoint is right here. We can just get through. Okay. All right, we're good. We're golden. Hopefully. This part is a little more annoying too. Let me see if we can get through. There we go. All right, finally. And this is the final section. This part might crash on us. Oh, no, it's fine. All right. Let's see the sounds in this one. So yeah, if you don't know what I'm doing right now, I'm just updating all of the like environment sounds in each chapter. And we're on chapter 4 right now. Let me see what's in here. Apparently chapter 4 doesn't have any unique sounds to it. We'll probably give it some like wind howling, snowing sounds. Let's see. So we do more Blue Zone paid sounds. Let me see if there's anything. They probably don't have any wind sounds to them though. Let's see, chimes. Oh god. Heaven synth. I think we've tried this one before. Last stream I clicked on your stream, blinked, and got rated out. Was it this morning? Did we stream twice this morning? What's in here? Yesterday for you? Oh yeah, probably this morning. You're like on the eastern hemisphere, right? Wait, UK would make it only like it's only like 12 a.m. for you. So wait, do you mean like yesterday as in literally like a few hours ago, or like literally or like 48 hours ago? PMPC, I've missed so many of your past streams. In fact, I was wondering why PMPC isn't streaming enough, but it was not. It was me not being on Twitch. Where have you been, Irad? 24 hours ago-ish? Okay. I think we did 2 streams 24 hours ago too. So yeah, I think I'm gonna start doing like 2 shorter sessions per day. Although like our last session this morning was like a 5-hour stream. Maybe we'll do like a 4-hour stream on this one. We'll see. They're relatively long, but it's better than doing like a 10-hour stream or anything like that. Also, Irad, have you found a place to move into? What's going on? I've streamed twice on 27 and 2812. Yes, it is true. But that's because today's double stream Saturdays, so makes sense. I don't know if we have any snowing sounds. Let me see. Oh wait, no, this is not it. It's a double stream week. Double streams for until the end of the year. I'll do it. Let me see. Audio. Kronos might have some decent ones. I haven't checked. See, ambiances, air, office, vehicle. Wait, no. Whooshes, surfaces. Cinematic sounds, maybe. Add twerking. No. We're done with that, Camilos. It's a new year. New year, new me. No more bow ties. No more game dev. No more showering either. It's audio files, so it's gonna be a lot of files. A lot of yeah, this literally is just all audio files. kind of like this sound too. Bass drop. Okay, no, these are not gonna work. It'd be funny. I kind of like this one though. I don't know where we'd put it. Whoosh wind. Ooh. Let's see what's in here. Oh my god, yeah, these do take a long time to load. Cold. Oh, here we go. Cold nature. Frost detail, frozen calm. Let me pause this for a second, or slower it. But this is a forest. We need like... Oh yeah, something like this. But... Not like this, actually. Storm. I don't like any of these. Let me see. How's it going, Wallace? I might have something already in my game. Cold winter. Let's see what this is. Environment sound. What is this? Changes. What the hell? Keep up the good work. Thank you. Thank you. Hope you're doing well. Alright, that one's bad. Let's get rid of that one. That one's also bad. This one, I believe, is what we're playing on chapter 2, but I might just keep this one going and then maybe add some other sounds on top of it. Oh my god, that one sounds terrible. Yeah, we might do this one, and then we'll have to find some sort of snow sound. Let's see. We don't have any snow. Maybe some like crunches of snow, which I'm sure we have somewhere in our game, in our assets. Let's see. You know, I'll bring back our meow 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 meow. Door. score. Just make sure there's no snow in here. Impact on snow, snow tearing, packing snow. Packing snow might actually work. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Oh yeah, something like this actually. If we can find something better, I'll take that. But here for now, we'll say snow in here. Let me go into. Oh, that's everything for Krotos. Walk sounds. Do we have anything on snow? Water, gravel, dirt. See if we have something on itch.io. Footsteps sound kit. Soundworks 12. What's the license? License. They have no license unless it's here. Nope. Okay. Not using this one. Footstep sounds. $8. If they have a license, brother. No one has their license ever. What is it? Freesound.org. Sound. Sound walk. Oh. Snow walk. I think we're better off with these higher quality sounds here. Let's close this. Rather than mess with this one in Audacity. The Audacity. Are we playing all the sounds at the same time? Is that what's going on here? Yeah. I just want to play one. Oh, here we go. Kind of like this one. All right, actually, we can. I think we can leave these here for now. Let's click on this one. Well, see what we can do. I think we're gonna split all of these sounds though. I don't like this one. So we'll do all three of these. Or maybe I can just normalize, or let's see, pitch and tempo, change pitch, percentage change. Nope. I wonder. I'm not gonna pretend like I know what to do with sound design, but I want to add reverb. But not to the maybe less. Oh, actually, most of our game is outside, or sorry, indoors, so it wouldn't sound too bad. Yeah, let's try it out actually. Such a big expense. I spent the last 30 minutes on looking at Steam Point Shop, choosing a new background theme. That's how they get you, though. Like, what? They give you so many points for no reason. These fake internet points. Did you get one of the waifu ones? All right. I get points for buying games that I later... Wait, you can buy games with those points? Wait a minute. Is that really... I thought you can only get, like... You have 85,000 fake internet points on Impractical. I believe the points on Impractical are called real internet points. Oh, yeah. That is how you get points. It'd be cool if they let you buy points or buy games with the points. Like, who the hell's gonna have so many points? Like, what do they want to collect? Also, how's it going, Mars? How you doing? Split into substrings where every substring is a palindrome. Return all possible lists. AAB, AAB, AAB example. Or you put that into ChatGPT? Is that how you're studying NEET code? I'm being sucked into space engineer. Oh. All right, let me try splitting this. I don't know how to split up sounds in Audacity. Honestly, I should read up on how to use Audacity more efficiently. I usually just honestly wait, if I cut this and I say add a new mono track, copying stereo, and oh, here, I'll do cut. I'll make a new stereo track. And there we go. Oh, look at that. It was that easy. Then a new stereo. Throw this one in. But also analyzing them, looking at optimizations, and if I don't know the solution, then I look at NeetCode's YouTube. I see. No, yeah, I think that is the right approach. If I was studying for it too, or like if I wanted to get better, I'd probably do something similar to you. Is the version you're using the free version? They have a paid version of Audacity? Does the paid version give us a dark mode? Is there a way to make this? I'm gonna go blind. Audacity. There's a paid version? I don't think so. I'm pretty sure it's like open. I don't know if it's open source, but it's like. Oh, there is a dark mode. High contrast. How do we edit preferences interface? Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. It's so much better. Actually, I kind of like the high contrast version. You see? It looks kind of cool. High contrast. See what that looks like. Oh my goodness. Why'd they do this? Why'd they do it like that? Oh, I guess it could, oh, when you highlight it. Interesting. You know what? Makes me feel like I'm like a hacker or something. How do we reset view? If it's like zoom normal. Oh, there we go. I can check for you, but I'm pretty sure Audacity is free. Yeah, it's open source. All right, let's get rid of these ones. Can we delete this track? This one's not too bad either, actually. These are fine too. Boom, boom, how do we select everything? Oh, there we go. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, we didn't edit them at all, but yeah, we want to wait. What am I doing? I have to clean this up. I wonder if we even need to fade it in if we start it right here. I don't like this one. How do you rename this? Numbering after. Can we make our own labels real quick? No, I guess not. I'll just do this. Set default. Can we? No, I want all of them. What the hell? Why is it exporting only one? There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Do, 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 do. Oh my goodness. Two different softwares? Trying to think. I don't know if it's an alternative to Audacity. That's like as maybe I don't know. I think Reaper is also free. Maybe it has some sort of paid version. Reaper is also pretty good. Oh yeah, maybe you're thinking Reaper. Oh, Reaper does not have a paid version. Why is it saying Reaper is not free? Let's. Oh, I see. You can just skip it after the trial ends. It's like WinRAR. I see. It'd be cool to get into Reaper. Ba-dum-bum. Okay. Then again, I only use it for my guitar. I'm sure it's pretty good. I mean, I know Audacity is also really good, but I'm definitely not using it to its full capabilities. All right, let's throw these sounds in though. I don't remember how we play these audio sounds, but I guess we'll figure it out. Because I'm pretty sure we want. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Let me stop talking. Let me start doing. I'm pretty sure we throw it into our player though, which is usually not how we do it. Footsteps. Yeah, we have this new footstep thing here. I don't know how we want to manage it in the near future. Oh my goodness, like grass sound variations. And what is this? I mean, it shouldn't be. What's this regular? Yeah, this is our usual sound. It's kind of boring, not gonna lie. Here, let's just throw one of the sounds in and see how it goes. We also have the grass sound variations, which is this. Where is this? Krotos. Krotos. I'm pretty sure we grabbed this from Krotos, so yeah. Grass movement unedited, and then let's throw in snow movement. All right. Were you supposed to move to Germany from Poland or something? How do we want to do this? And how do we play these regular steps? Set sounds. Grass sound variations. Play grass sound. We could throw this in here. Yeah, let's try it out, actually. Spherophoria, how's it going? Welcome. Sup, how's it going? It's going pretty well. Can I show you what I'm doing? How are things with you? Welcome, TVN. What are we doing right now? We're mostly updating some of our sounds. We've completely refactored most of our like audio managers. Or maybe I can show my boss fight or something. Although this final chapter doesn't have any updates on the sounds, and in fact it breaks here. All right, let's try a different one. Things are great. Let's get to here. Kind of encouragement, but also to fill gaps in the language barrier. That is pretty wholesome, isn't it? Now you speak Polish. Oh. So yeah, right now we're just making a few updates to the basically to just all of our sounds, and right now I'm trying to mess with adding snow to our fourth chapter, like snow footsteps. We just finished editing all of our sounds here, so let's see how it goes. Hell yeah. Yeah. Here, let's just try throwing this in for a second. I'm so curious as to how it's gonna sound. It might sound like doo-doo. And I'll pause the audio. Oh, dude, it's so quiet. It sounds really good, though. Here, wait, let me try increasing this volume. I think it's pretty good. Loki, want to change this regular sound, though. Real quick. Let's try just throwing this in here. Are you smacking them? I'm actually using like virtual keyboards if that's what you're talking about. Smacking the ground with your shoe and a microphone. Oh, are you talking about literally the sounds? No. Usually I buy like giant audio packs. And then I edit them. Usually they're not perfect, but like for instance, this one was like from a Humble Bundle or something. It was a giant pack. It was like worth well, I don't know how much it's actually worth, but like they said it was worth like thousands or like probably around $1,000, but for Humble Bundle it was like maybe 30. Honestly, I would have paid like 200 for them though. They were solid sounds. Here, wait, where is it? Why aren't we hearing it? Regular sound stream. I could just throw this one in real quick. I don't want to lose this file though. What is this? Steps floor. Mm-hmm. One moment. All right, so that's our old one. Let me throw one of our new snow sounds. Snow. All right, hopefully it's good. Wait, let's see what else we have in here. All right, let's try that one. It would be cool to design my own sounds, but it's so much work. And like also like mastering those sounds. I wouldn't know how to make them, sound juicy. Let's comment this out too. Brick sound preload. Mm-hmm. And it's fucked, yeah. Also, I feel like you need like a bunch of tools too. Like, audio design hardware feels like it's extremely expensive. I'm sure you could do a bunch with like minimal gear, but I don't know. Oh god. Read my message. What's your message? What's a vertical keyboard? Wait, virtual, not yes, virtual keyboard. I think what I want to do with this this sound here though, the the original steps, is I want to add some reverb to this one. I think it's a little too clicky. Let me see. Yeah, let's grab this. Mm. This does sound a little better. I mean, it's a pretty subtle sound, but I think that's exactly what we kind of want here. I'm not gonna pretend like I know how to make this sound better though. Here, let's try this though. Oh no, that does nothing. More reverb, probably. I think that's the solution to everything here. Or distortion. Distortion and reverb. Where is it? I've lost it. Oh, here we go. Or echo. Wait, let's hear this. Delay time. Let's do like point. Oh no. I can work with this. So it's like an iPad or something, not a mechanical key. No. It's a mechanical. I have a mechanical keyboard, but I also have like what's it called? Like I filter out my background noise, so you wouldn't hear my keyboard. Usually, you wouldn't hear my keyboard unless I increase the gain or whatever. So yeah, instead of you hearing my keyboard, you hear like a software instead. All right, this is it. It doesn't sound that much more different, that much different from what we currently have, but I think it's better. Let's throw it in. Oh, wait, this is not what we want. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay. It's pretty good. It's interesting that the z-index of our player's feet are a little weird, but that's something we can probably fix relatively easily. Okay. Now we have to figure out a better way to throw this at, like, this is the first time we're actually changing footstep sounds in our game. Or like the typical footstep sound. There is this thing that we're doing with set sounds here. But there has to be a better way for us to do this. Right now we're saying, when the hell are we running this set sounds thing? Sounds to play. Clear. Not append. Yeah, why don't we have something like just on the entrance of a chapter, we'll update the player node. Yeah, let's throw in. How are we doing this? Footstep audio. Are we adding area 2Ds to our hitbox? Footstep. Is this really how we're doing it? See something. There's no way. Put a break here. No, yeah, it's not. So what do we want to do instead? A better way to change the player's footstep sounds. We could just match what scene, what chapter we're in. And then on the ready, we just grab the sound node. Oh, no, we can't do that. Let me see something. Sergo. How's it going? And when do we want to do this? On the ready of the chapter sounds. We could do it here, or we could just do it in our world scene here. Can I repeat? How do you do tiles? How to have tiles? How to add collisions to tiles? In 4, like area. Were you the one who asked for area 2D collisions or just regular collisions? Just regular collisions. Is it not in like? I've never messed with tiles in tile maps in 4 for to not use a collision shape. Yeah, I mean it should be relatively easy. Like it's pretty straightforward in 3. I wouldn't know how to do it in. I don't necessarily know how to do it in 4. Usually you have like this here. A quick Google search should help you. If not, yeah, have you not been able to, like, usually there's like a thing up here, or I don't know, the layers are weird. I know it's completely different how they changed it in 4. But there should be something called collision where you can create something like this, collision shapes. And by default, like any like kinematic body or anything registers this as a collision. Somewhere out there in the auto tile layer, you will find a collision node, a collision setting. Boom, 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 boom. Do we need this check for collectibles? Celeste or something? You know what's sad? Something happened recently where do you know J-Blow? They're like the they made Braid. J-Lo? J-Blow, like this. Jonathan, I think Jonathan Blow is their name. But yeah, they saw my game. They were streaming. They saw my game, and they said, this looks like someone else's game. It was sad. Sad to hear. And, like, it was even more sad because, like, you know they meant it, you know? Like, it wasn't like they were trying to be mean, you know? It was just like, this looks like someone else's game. Sad, yeah, it is sad. Don't worry. One day. Hot takes are hit miss. No, yeah. No. I know it's like it's not an issue if they think my game is a clone or something. It's that I think they thought it wasn't my, like they were watching my stream and they thought it was a different, like they thought I was playing a different person's game. Like they didn't think I was developing the game. So it's not like they had a hot take. It was more so just like, yeah, just like, just a mistake. Nothing wrong with that? No, yeah, nothing is... It's just funny, you know? Okay. But yeah, the sounds are much better now. We have unique sounds, unique walking sounds for 4. Ooh, it's so much work though. We have to do this for each chapter. I'll have to search through like what we want. I think we want like some like gory, fleshy sound for 3. Honestly, we can recycle the same sound for 2. 5 needs some sort of 5 and 6 needs like some ethereal sound with extra reverb. Breath first search, depth first search. We'll have nightmares about them. Have you gotten to what is it, dynamic programming yet? Yes, I have. It's undoable. Seer Shub, how's it going? By the way, when I joined your Discord call lately, I was actually very shy. That's fine. You like the lo-fi stream? Thanks. Honestly, it's supposed to be way more. There's supposed to be way more going on. I might turn it off pretty soon, until I'm ready to like actually be active on it, or actually have the RPG running on it. Because right now it's just music and nothing else. With people who are native. I get it. If it makes you feel any better, though, Tomer was, when I first started talking to Tomer, he was very, very shy as well. Or very, I guess, self-conscious. Sears Hub? Sears Hub? Sears Hub. I'll try to remember. Probably can. Yeah. Remember Sears Hub. Caesar. Honestly, we could throw this into chapter 5 as well. These sounds are pretty bad. Wait, what the hell? Wait, we're hearing the snow. Oh, I threw in the snow sounds for everything. Gotta make sure that's not the case. Searshub. Alrighty. How long have we been? I think I streamed 5 hours in the last one. Almost 9 hours today. I think it's a good time to call it. I'm getting a little sleepy. Let's see. Who are we rating out to? We got Finn is fine. Cricket. Will I be streaming tomorrow? Probably. I'm sure Cricket's probably gonna go to sleep soon. Alright, I'm into him anyway. Alrighty, people. Have a good night. Sears Hub, have a good one. Camilos, everybody lurking. Frostern, thank you for the company. Saravati, Ratwood. Hexic. Wallace, Sergo. Hope you figured out Sergo. I hope I'm not sure if you're still struggling with it, send me a DM and we can figure it out. Mars, I'll see ya. Spherophoria, thank you for the raid. And everybody lurking. Okie dokie. Bye-bye.